Hello and welcome to our Venopsis Saturday edition. Let's get started.
U.S. markets are closed for the weekend. Trading will resume on Monday. Even as only two of the S&P 500 sectors ended last week in the green, the index managed to close up 0.3% for the week. The gains were led by the communication services sector, which rose 0.5%, backed by a 0.5% advance for technology stocks. Utilities and real estate were the worst performers, with weekly losses of 11% and 3% respectively. Let's turn to our FANGs update. Yesterday, Apple increased 1.5%. The biggest mover this week among the technology giants group was Alphabet, with a 4.5% weekly increase. It also recorded the largest price change yesterday, as it rose 2.5%. Over the past month, Apple crashed 8%, compared with a 1.2% decrease for Alphabet and a -4% return for the NASDAQ-100. From a start at 152 in October, Apple rose to a new 52-week high of 196 in July, and has been trending lower since, to 172 today. Let's turn to some notable U.S. stocks. 29 of the NASDAQ-100 stocks ended the week with negative returns. The top losers were Match, which dived 7% for the week, Workday, with a 7% slump, and Exelon, which sold off 6%. American Electric Power was also one of the top losers this week, with a 6% weekly crash. American Electric Power's move yesterday, down 4.5%, brought its price to $71.80, breaking its 52-week low. The S&P 500 stocks, which recorded the largest moves yesterday, were Svb Financial Group, with a 60% plunge, the AES, which slumped 7%, and NiSource, with a 6% plummet. Svb Financial Group traded yesterday on close to a third of its monthly average day volume. These are the stocks which are drawing attention this weekend. With the best performance on our list, Fastenal rose 0.4% yesterday to close at $54.90, as the resignation of the company's chief operating officer, Terry Owen. Fastenal has advanced 0.7% this week. In the second place we have Eli Lilly, which has dropped 2.1% this week. Yesterday it gained 0.2% to close at $538, following the settlement of an age discrimination lawsuit for $2.40 million by the company. And concluding our short list is Walmart, which has declined 1.5% this week. Yesterday it remained nearly flat, finishing at $160.1.
It was great seeing you again. Don't forget to check out our next edition to catch up on the day's key events.